August makes 1 year since Stephen Williams lost his mother.
I'm going to defend the memory of my mother and her belongings.
But it wasn't until now that he says his family received an eviction notice for her unit at the Upper E Apartments in Dallas.
It was alarming because, like I said, there was no notices, there was nothing.
So Monday, Williams came to an eviction hearing at the Justice of the Peace under Judge Sarah Martinez. He showed up, but the landlord did not. Typically, that would mean his case is dismissed, but not this time.
With this case here, she found out that they actually gave the wrong citation dates. They put the 13th of May at 11 o'clock when it was supposed to happen the 14th of May at 11 o'clock.
Williams says the courtroom was told there was a clerical error, one the judge didn't notice until towards the end of the docket.
All her verbal dismissals, she started calling them back saying no, and she started telling them, what day can you come back?
Williams says his hearing has been reset for May 24th along with some others, but he says his concerns are for those who may have been impacted but may not know about the error yet.
Some of these individuals are probably thinking, hey, I missed my court date, let me just go ahead and get out, figure out where I'm going. Some plaintiffs are probably refiling evictions thinking, hey, leasing agent didn't show up to court, or the assistant manager didn't show up, or the manager didn't show up to represent us. We got to refile these.
WFAA reached out to Judge Martinez. She confirms there was a clerical error and says only plaintiffs received the wrong date. She tells us no judgments or evictions were ruled based on that wrong date. Still, as an eviction advocate himself, Williams believes more should be done.
Ethically, she should actually get everybody that's on that docket, even the ones that she dismissed, and say, look, it was a clerical error. We're going to rehear all the cases. It said a lot of inconveniences. There's individuals saying that they got off work. There's some individuals saying that they were having to pay for transportation.
And for Williams, the biggest inconvenience is waiting longer for closure on his mother's apartment. In Dallas County, I'm Brittany Moncrief.